Good evening, everyone. What's going on? Welcome back to another episode of Vitality Being Crypto Show. I am in my car right now. I want to give you a short update of what's going on in the market as it's called the Liberation Day. This is the day where there's a lot of uncertainty and volatility in the market because Donald Trump will reveal his strategy for the tariffs of different countries. So let's dive right in. What do I think is going to be in the immediate short term for Bitcoin, for crypto? As you know, we've seen one of the worst quarters in the crypto in the ever in the history, but it's not all gloom and doom. It's actually a lot of great things happening in the background right now. And today is that Liberation Day in America, where Trump administration considering roughly 20% tariffs on most imports, right? And the market is highly volatile today. There is a lot of uncertainty in the market. You can see that something similar happened in May 2019 when U.S. imposed tariffs on China, and the Nasdaq dropped actually 12%. At the same time, Bitcoin jumped 70%. So totally decoupling Bitcoin from the stock market. Will it be something that is going to be similar this time or no? The thing is that the volatility is super high, and last time there's such a high volatility that happened, such a big uncertainty, I would say, which right now the U.S. economic policy uncertainty index hit its highest level in history. So after that, the S&P 500, the stocks rallied 63% over the next 12 months, and in February 2009, it actually market gained 50%. But not always it reacted in such a beautiful, big profits. Also, there was times in 2001 and 2008 where after this uncertainty of the policy, we did have a down next 12 months. Okay, so what is going to be? Time will tell, of course, but the big picture of what I'm seeing is a short-term volatility in the stock markets to cause the Federal Reserve to lower the interest rate, to stimulate the economy, to pump a lot of liquidity into the market, and then recession is saved and the market is pumping again. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing. Highly likely that right now is a beautiful opportunity to buy coins like Solana, like Ethereum, that they are trading at their low levels. You know, when the market is fearful, you should be buying. You should not be fearful, and you should not be selling. There's just in the Bitcoin Policy Institute releases a framework for the U.S. to buy $200 billion worth of Bitcoin by issuing $2 trillion worth of BIT bonds. Can you imagine that? U.S. government buying $200 billion. I mean, how much it is going to affect the Bitcoin price, the crypto price, and the game theory of other countries loading up on Bitcoin. Okay, so a lot of great things are happening, and it's very exciting. The 5 trillion Fidelity launches retirement plan, allowing direct investment into Bitcoin. This is massive. Again, so much opportunity for the people to invest into Bitcoin. And overall, the altcoin market, we are right now retesting this line of support, right? So first, in November 2021, we peaked. Where did we peak? We peaked right here at $1.6 trillion. Then in November, this trend line, after the bear market, we had a bull market over here. We broke this resistance, and now we're reclaiming this as a support, like retesting it as support. As long as we are above this line, which we are right now, we are good. Okay, this been a very sweet opportunity to buy altcoins. If we break below this line, that's not gonna be good. Okay, we break below this line, but we are above this line, and things are looking okay. Things are looking quite bullish from here. Okay, and today is a volatile day. If you look at the Bitcoin trading at 87,000, it dipped to $81,000. okay, but it was a very, very quick. You can see within a couple minutes it went down to 81,000 and back to 84. So it was a very volatile move, and you can see it was picked up by the market. So this is extremely bullish over here, and yeah, things are looking great. We have publicly traded another publicly traded company, Enish, announced to buy 100 million yen worth of Bitcoin. We're seeing a hash ribbon that just signal every single time. Has to do with the Bitcoin miners and when is good time for them to buy. Every single time a hash ribbons indicator has been flashed, it was a great time to buy and purchase Bitcoin every single time, and it just flashed. So that's another great thing that is happening in the market right now. We have 1.5 trillion Franklin Templeton considering offering Bitcoin and crypto exchange trading product in Europe. Again, big signs, big movement. We see Circle USDC stablecoin just filed for initial public offering, getting into stocks. They're earning a lot of money. In fact, $1.7 billion. That's how much they earn. So things are looking great for Circle and for the stablecoin industry right now. So that's the major thing to pay attention to. Expect the volatility around Trump remarks. It's either going to go to countries are going to reach some agreement, are going to lower tariffs, or markets are already priced in all of these trade wars, and it's up from here. Okay, so let's see. Markets tend to do the opposite of where everybody is afraid and fearful, and we can just see a huge jump over the next week after this this tariffs liberation day. Okay, which is designed for the long term to make U.S. a strong economy and get more of these jobs in U.S., to get more of this manufacturing happen in U.S., to make a stronger economy. And I think this is a long-term play that is going to allow for a much liquidity to flow into the crypto market. So that's a little bit of update for you, and I will see you guys in the next episode of Today in Crypto Show.